After a really busy month, my craft room has been definitely neglected. It's messy, it's cluttered, and honestly, it was starting to kind of stress me out. So today, I just want to hit pause in today's video, decompress a little, and I want to spend some time resetting my space. This is definitely not a full makeover, just kind of tidying, decluttering, and really getting back to a place where I can actually enjoy creating in my space because that is my safe space. So if your space gets messy when life gets busy too, you are definitely not alone. This is often the same thing that happens for me, and this is kind of my way of easing back into the swing of things, one bin, one shelf, one pile of craft supplies at a time. So grab your coffee, put on some background noise, and let's go ahead and reset this craft room together. So as I mentioned at the start of this video, my month has been so busy and I really have not been able to dedicate as much time as I would love to my craft space. And because I haven't been in here, working and creating very often, I definitely have neglected my space and it needs a much needed tidying or decluttering for sure. So I wanted to kind of do a little bit of a behind the scenes. This is not something I often share, but I think it's something that us crafters definitely go through often. At least for me, I am someone who definitely can thrive in the chaos, but sometimes that clutter, that pile of supplies that I've been walking past for the last week or so, sometimes that just really gets to me and I need to just take a break in order to reset my space, really get it tidied up and looking the way that I would love it to look every day in order for me to get back into those creative flows. So after coming back from a work trip, I stepped into my space after what had definitely been weeks and kind of just looked around and was like, wow, I've really let my space go. So I definitely needed to do a much needed cleanup, destashing, and just really reorganizing things that I'm not really using anymore. Unboxing some collabs that have been sitting on my floor for a couple weeks, but because I've been away or on trips or with family, I really haven't had the time to dedicate to even get those out of the boxes. So really being able to take time from being away and now really being fully back into my craft space, I knew that in order for me to really get the push to want to create something for the fall and for spooky season, which of course is the next thing coming up, I knew that I desperately needed to reset my space. And when I'm resetting my space, I'm not making this like a full glam room. Sure, I would love to say that my space is exactly what I want it to be. There are definitely lots of places in my craft space that I absolutely love, but there are definitely some rooms for growth. So I'm not looking at making this one of those Pinterest aesthetic looking places in my craft space, but I just want to make sure that my space is functional for me and just makes sense. So kind of take this walk with me, I should say, in how I am resetting my space. So I'm doing a lot of decluttering, putting things away, unfinished cups that haven't been finished for a while. And the other thing that I definitely have to do because I haven't been in here so long is to work with my printers. So you guys know that I have a few printers in my space, and although I don't do sublimation very often, I do have a sublimation printer, and I will be completely honest, I can't even remember the last time I printed on it. So I knew that I needed to get a print out to put on a sublimation cup. And so because I knew that I hadn't printed on my sublimation printer in a while, I knew that I was going to spend a little bit of time trying to get my sublimation printer functioning again. So taking the time to, of course, do all of the nozzle checks, the print head cleanings, and then I eventually had to do an entire power cleaning cycle for this in order to get my colors of sublimation ink to really be printing through the printer. I knew that it was going to take a little bit of time. So that's also part of that resetting process, right? Reacclimating myself to the machines that I have in my space, maybe running some fun but small projects, and really just kind of getting back into working with the different machines that I work with. which also really just helps to give me ideas on things that I want to create in the future. So the other printer that I needed to run was I needed to run my Eufy Mate because it had been a while since I had printed anything through that. And although this is typically like an anti-clog printer, it is something that you still want to maintain, right? Making sure you're printing with it regularly so that you don't run into any issues in the future. So I'm just gonna print some fun, sort of like sassy, sarcastic coasters here, really just to give myself something to create that's fun. Thought this would be cute to bring to like work, or to just have as some extra little goodies that I love to throw in packages when people order from my website. But just a fun way to not only be able to spruce up my space and clean up my space, right? Tidy up my tables, get new table coverings, of course, wiping down everything now that the dust has been collected, but really be able to do a couple projects here and there that aren't really going to take a whole lot of time, and kind of bog down my brain in the creative way while I'm distracted with the messes around me, but just give me a little bit of a creative outlet because, again, I don't want to come out to my space and only spend hours upon hours cleaning it and then not want to touch anything because it's too clean. I don't want to mess anything up. So being able to do those fun little projects really does also kind of jumpstart that creative flow for me as well. And just being able to, again, remember why I have this space and why this is my go-to space when I'm having a long day, when I don't have things to do, when I have a few extra minutes, when an idea sparks, and just having the opportunity to just come into my space. That is the space that I enjoy to be in when I need that time to just create something. So I know this is definitely not a typical video for my channel, but I thought I would just kind of share this because I think many of us as creators and artists, we go through these things and it's okay, you're not always going to have the next bright and amazing creative idea. Sometimes it's just about going into your space and just reorganizing, maybe taking down that pile one pile at a time and just resetting your space and seeing what creative juices then flow from just that re-energizing of your space. So I know this is a short video, but I do hope that you enjoyed it. If you have tips for, decluttering, organizing, etc., or if you're going to be decluttering and resetting your space, definitely let me know down in the comment section. I hope this video was helpful, although it certainly wasn't a tutorial, but I do hope that this kind of gave you a little bit of an inside look to remind you that I'm just like you. Sometimes we gotta declutter and reset those craft spaces. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys again in the next one.